Oppo launched its new mid-range smartphone under A series in China called Oppo A7 Pro Max, with quiet, cool-looking design. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo A7 Pro Max features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 5 chipset paired with Adreno 629 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128, 256, or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo A7 Pro Max sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The handset comes equipped by a massive 10,000 mAh battery with 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on ColorOS 16 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69K certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.98 by 77.97 by 8.57 millimeters, and it weighs around 226 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A7 Pro Max has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in dark gray, bright orange, and wave blue color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from August 7th. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A7 Pro Max smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.